G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing and testing out this new guitar that I've bought. It's the Alpha electric guitar. The model number is there. I'll put it in the description. This is a cheap guitar I've picked up off eBay. I paid about 120 Australian dollars. I've also noticed it's on Amazon and a few other retailers. So if you are interested in this guitar, shop around, but let's unbox it and plug it into the amp and see how it goes. So here we go. Okay, alright, cool. Comes with a carry case, which is always good. I've never actually had a carry case for an electric guitar. I had an old Fender Stratocaster copy, so I decided to test out a new guitar. Let's unzip it. Right, well, more padding, guitar lead, comes with a guitar lead. Let's take off these, there's the lead. Okay, it looks pretty nice. It's got the black color. And there she is. Brand new guitar. It's quite light. It's a lot lighter than my old guitar. And I'd say, it's a little bit lighter. But I'm liking the color. So let's plug it in, tune it up, and see how it plays. The strings are a bit loose. Alright, plug it in, see how we go. Oh, and it comes with the whammy, and it comes with some Allen keys, so that can be helpful when changing strings. Alright guys, we are all tuned up now. Have a bit of a play. I clearly need to practice, but that is what this guitar can do. So I'm going to go and practice and play some stuff later. But I thought I'd just do a quick video of the unboxing. Looks pretty nice. Shop around and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.